Okay, so tonight, bit of a change. We're gonna do a quick dinner spaghetti meatballs. Just me. Okay, so we're first gonna start to boil the water. I'm gonna put it on high, so you know it could start to boil. She's gonna put some
in the water. We put a little bit of oil so the noodles won't stick to the pan.
Okay, now we're gonna put some meatballs in the other container. So,
a lot.
okay.
So I'm just opening the tomato sauce for the spaghetti meatballs. It's the one that we canned like 7 months. We're putting the sauce in the meatballs so I can
Homemade sauce.
heat it together. There. Oh, there's already basil on it. Yeah. Good garlic.
Okay, so we're gonna add some seasonings because this is our homemade tomato sauce. So it only has just garlic, I believe. No, basil. Okay, so we're gonna add some oregano. Okay,
A little bit of garlic powder.
Okay, now we're gonna mix it. And then if we want, we could add some more of other flavors, but...
Onion powder.
Oh yes, onion powder.
Go.
Okay. Now we're gonna mix it up. I'm gonna turn this on high too. We're just gonna let that sit, heat up, and we're still waiting for the water to be boiled. Oh. Okay. Then now we're still waiting on the water to boil for the spaghetti noodles. So take a few. We'll be back.
Welcome back. Now we're putting in the spaghetti noodles.
Okay, so while we're waiting for the noodles to soften up, I had to lower this down because it was actually pretty quick to be boiling. So far we're just cooking it, keeping it warm. So when the noodles are ready, we could serve it as is. So I'm just gonna stir it every couple of minutes, you know, just to keep it from burning. So yeah.
Welcome back. I turned the oven off and the noodles are now ready. So now I'm just going to drain the water from them. There. And now we just wait.
Okay, so now the meatballs are already done. We just turned it off because it was starting to, you know, add more salt, I'm guessing, I assume. So meatballs are done. The spaghetti noodles just need a little time to cool off and then eat.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what the girls had made. Look at that, it looks delicious. Homemade pasta sauce with meatballs and spaghetti. Looking forward to digging into that. I want to thank my daughters for making that, as well as my boys over here who keep an eye on little Sammy while Mama comes home. Hopefully Mama will enjoy this meal, and we hope to talk to you soon. So you guys take care, and we'll see you later. Bye.